It's a couple Jordan 1 retros and they gotta be in your collection. You just collect them, you never go stepping. I can respect it, but that ain't for me. I gotta lace up these black cement threes and throw a little fit together. Get on the go, out, place a bid, and hopefully I can just hit forever. I'm from the bottom, a little wanna rap, but this part about culture, you gotta be fair. Ralph Lauren with the Air Forces, put that shit on to the day that I die. Nikes over Adidas.
What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy, DaRetroWizKid, the shoeologist, and y'all rocking with your boy in the sneaker dungeon, y'all. Hope everyone's having a great day today. Today, we're going to talk about how would you want to see this sneaker. We're going to talk my personal preference of how I feel like they're doing this, and I want to know in the comment section how you guys feel. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure before we get all the way into it, you guys hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell, head over to Instagram, follow your boy at DaRetroWizKid, go ahead and drop a like on the vid, and y'all already know how we rock, man. Hey, let's talk about it. Let's get straight into it. Yeah! First things first, I would have rather have got these. I would have rather have gotten these over the Air Jordan Retro 3 Reimagined. Hear me out. First off, I don't own my size. You know what I'm saying? I've never owned my size in this sneaker. And, you know, huge shout out to my bro, D Stokes, man. You know, he had some J's that he was like, hey, bro, I know you would love to throw these on display somewhere inside the crib. You know what I'm saying? So he sent these over to me and other ones as well, man. You know, I got a whole bunch of shoes that aren't my size, but, you know, when I set up everything, have everything right, man, this is what is on display. And you guys can't see stuff that's over here, so you guys won't be able to see a lot of the stuff inside the room. But, you know what I'm saying? Classic. Not an OG colorway, but, you know, a classic that came out in the Air Jordan 3. And we have the Air Jordan 3 Black Cat, which we were supposed to get. Now hear me out. I do not have this sneaker in my size. I've never owned it. I have the Black Cat 4s, but I don't have the Black Cat 3s. Said that these will be dropping now in 2025, and we're getting the Reimagined Black Cement 3s. So, Black Cement 3s. You know, right here, we have the 2011 pair, which, you know, we saw some updates from 2011 to 2018. I definitely feel like the shape, the way that these fit, you know, paint wise, all that good stuff, they capitalize. As you guys see, mine are chipping and everything like that. But this is one that I really love. You know, nice good wears out of this one. Creasing, you guys can see, creasing in the toe box very heavily. But again, there was no Nike Air on the back of this sneaker, which then, you know, we got hit in 2018. So not that long ago, y'all. Not that long ago, but long enough for them to say, hey, it is time to bring it back. Y'all know how it is. I always say between 4 to 5 years, sometimes 10, sometimes in between that 5 to 10, and sometimes you might wait almost 20 years depending on what colorway it is before they bring it back. Or they might just never bring it back until almost 30 years. You know what I'm saying? 30 plus, you feel me? But y'all already know the vibes, man. Right here, we do have the 2018 Air Jordan Retro 3 with the Black Cement 3 hit, and this one right here does have the Nike Air on the back. Now, we are talking about them bringing this back, suede or leather. Now, I'm going to tell you guys straight up, because this is a reimagined vibe, I feel like it would only be right if they actually did suede, man. I know, hear me out, y'all. I know y'all like, yo, G, really? To me, I feel like just because of the way they've been doing them, you did the 4s with the leather, you did the 1s, the royal blue 1s with the switch up as well, and I feel like because we got the white cement, I would want to see something different, something that you probably wouldn't see. Now, I think that the suede probably, it might not have sold as heavy as they would if they do the Black Cement 3 just like this. Just imagine this sneaker, just Black Cement 3. Because I feel like if they're going to do it, and they're going to keep the leather upper, go ahead, tumble that leather upper out, give it to me just like this. Just like this, just a Black Cement 3. Don't make no mistake. There's no room to change anything. Just drop it like this. tongue and all. You know what I'm saying? Tongue, fit, build, shape, everything, man. Drop it just like this, just with the black upper on it to give it the black cement 3 hit. And of course, hitting it with the gray where the gray needs to be hit and everything like that. Y'all know what I'm saying? But I would have thought that Jordan Brand, and because Jordan Brand don't always give us what we want, I just feel like the suede was something that they would have been like, yo, we gonna give y'all suede. I would have even been surprised if they would have gave us nubuck. The reason why I say if they would have just gave us nubuck is because of the Air Jordan Retro 4 Reimagined coming in that leather and originally being in nubuck, so giving us a different look. Because if you guys don't remember, all of Jordan's shoes were leather until the Air Jordan Retro 4 bread. That was the first one that came with like nubuck. You know, that's really when they reimagining back then. You feel me? That's when they switched it all up and just gave us a totally different build of the sneaker. So, you know, that's why I say, like, I wouldn't mind if they really did suede on these, but if you are going to bust us down with the leather, bust us down with the leather, shape everything, don't make no hiccups, and give it to us just like this. And if you was gonna do the suede, I ain't even gonna hold you. You could have did it just like this, just a suede upper. You know what I'm saying? Or a nubuck upper. But I'm gonna be honest, man, I really don't think that the nubuck would have really, I just don't see the Air Jordan 3 coming in that nubuck. But again, we're talking reimagined. You know, we're talking about the change up of a sneaker that is a classic and doing something different to it. So, you know, when you think about that, sometimes you got to think outside the box. How do you guys feel about them pushing the Black Cat 3s? Would you rather have got the Black Cat 3s over getting a Reimagined 3 this year? I honestly feel like because we got the Reimagined 4s, I feel like, and you know, we're also getting the military blue 4s, they could have held this one off for next year, because I feel like in 2025, Jordan Brand gonna have to come stupid hard with some type of reimagining, because y'all throwing a lot at us this year in 2024, man. Y'all got it heating up, man. Y'all got it feeling like 2012 around this thing, man. I love when you guys bring good sneakers out, you know, good retro colorways and stuff like that. Not just with Jordan, you know, Nike in general, you know, you looking at Adidas, you know, Puma, all the different brands that's out there, New Balances, everything coming with straight fire and heat. I like seeing that, man. You know, we got a lot of good sneakers that's coming out this year, and it's, man, we only in February right now, you know what I'm saying? Moving into March, you know, so, you know, by the time this video drop, it might be March. I don't know when this video gonna drop, but y'all already know the vibes, man. Y'all let me know y'all thoughts and opinions. How do you guys want to see the Reimagined Air Jordan 3, suede or leather? Do you guys want to see the, hey, oh, I gotta throw this in there too before we hang it up. If they were to do suede or nubuck, I think they should just leave this alone. If you're going to reimagine it with leather, you gotta throw that sail midsole, that aged midsole to it. If you want to change the upper, do it just like how you did with the bread 4s. Everything normal, just change the entire upper, meaning that you don't have to go with the aged midsole. But I don't know, man. We all know how Jordan Brand is. We know how they throw them curveballs, but we shall see. But y'all let me know how y'all would like to see these. And you know, as we're hearing right now, it's going to be leather, but you know, it's never too late. It's a holiday release. At the last minute, man, they might switch it up. They might even start the production of these sneakers for the holiday until June of this year. It is your boy DaRetroWizKid. Until the next video, peace, love in Laguna Beach, and we out this thing. Yeah!
It's a couple Jordan 1 retros and they gotta be in your collection. You just collect them, you never go stepping. I can respect it, but that ain't for me. I gotta lace up these black cement 3s and throw a little fit together. Get on the go, out, place a bid, and hopefully I can just hit forever.